Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of nutrition, specifically exploring the powerhouse vitamin known as vitamin C. From boosting our immune system to promoting healthy skin, vitamin C plays a crucial role in keeping us vibrant and well. So, sit back, relax, and join us as we uncover the incredible ways in which vitamin C keeps you healthy. Before we get started, I just want to take a moment to express how important it is for you to hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing to our channel, you not only show your support for the content we create but also ensure that you never miss out on the latest updates, insights, and discoveries we share. Subscribing is like joining a community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about health, wellness, and self-improvement. Together, we can inspire and motivate each other on this journey towards a happier, healthier life. So, if you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button now. Trust us, you won't regret it. Thank you for being part of our journey. Strengthen your immune system with vitamin C. This vitamin has many uses, including strengthening your immune system and curing wounds. Ascorbic acid, another name for vitamin C, is a water-soluble vitamin that is essential to good health. It is what is referred to as an essential nutrient, which means you must obtain it from your diet because your body is unable to produce it. Being a potent antioxidant, vitamin C aids in your body's defense against cell damage. It is also essential for tissue growth and development, wound healing, and immune system maintenance. What benefits does vitamin C really provide to the body? 1. Combats illness and cell damage. An antioxidant by nature, vitamin C can be present in some foods. Antioxidants are like unseen superheroes working within your body. Their primary responsibility is to shield you from unstable chemicals known as free radicals, which can harm your cells, increase the indications of aging, induce oxidative stress, and more. The accumulation of free radicals has been linked to an increased risk of developing heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. Consuming foods high in antioxidants, such as those high in vitamin C, can help shield your body from harm caused by free radicals. 2. Guards your eyes. Vitamin C is accurate. This antioxidant may help prevent cataracts, which are clouding of the lens of the eye, and reduce the advancement of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a disorder that results in central vision loss. 3. Enhances the absorption of iron. Non-heme iron is found in certain plant foods like spinach and beans, but it's difficult for your body to absorb it because of other characteristics. Let's talk about vitamin C, who supports iron. When vitamin C-rich foods are eaten with plant-based foods high in iron, the iron's bioavailability is increased, resulting in increased absorption. Assume you prepare a spinach salad and add strawberries to it. Strawberries are high in vitamin C, and spinach contains non-heme iron. While either one is beneficial on its own, eating them together allows your body to absorb and access more iron from the spinach because the strawberry's vitamin C helps your body do so. 4. Promotes the healing of wounds. Collagen formation is aided by vitamin C and is crucial to your body's healing process. One protein that keeps our skin appearing fresh is collagen. It's essential for wounds, including cuts, scratches, and surgical incisions, to heal correctly. Furthermore, studies have shown that those who consume insufficient amounts of vitamin C heal more slowly than those who do. 5. Encourages skin health. Though topical lotions and serums containing vitamin C can do a host of beneficial things for your skin, we're mostly talking about the form of vitamin C found in food. They lessen dark circles under the eyes, delay the onset of aging, and even enhance the benefits of sunscreen. Additional potential advantages. Science never quits. Studies are constantly being conducted to learn new things about health, including the various functions that vitamin C performs in our bodies. Further research is required on all of these potential advantages of vitamin C, but here are a few more. It could strengthen cardiac health. Strokes are among the cardiovascular diseases, CVD, that vitamin C may help prevent and treat. However, results from studies to date have been inconsistent, so it's still unclear how helpful it might be. It could contribute to cancer treatments. Scientists are investigating the potential function of vitamin C in the treatment of certain cancer types, as they continue to learn about vitamin C absorption, metabolism, genetics, and cancer. As an addition to traditional cancer treatment, there is some encouraging evidence to date. This implies that it might supplement treatment, not take its place. How much vitamin C is required daily? A little bit goes a long way when it comes to vitamin C, so getting your required daily intake is not too tough. The National Institutes of Health, NIH, breaks down their vitamin C recommendations for people 18 years of age and older, as follows. Men, 90 mg. Women, 75 mg. Pregnant individuals, 85 mg. Individuals who are nursing, 120 mg. According to certain experts, the guidelines ought to be more stringent. Dangers of taking too much vitamin C. The daily maximum for vitamin C pills is 2,000 mg. Much greater than that and you run the risk of adverse consequences. Your kidneys will be subjected to additional strain when you take supplements at extremely high doses. Kidney failure and the development of kidney stones are possible outcomes of this. The daily maximum for vitamin C pills is 2,000 mg. Much greater than that and you run the risk of adverse consequences. Your kidneys will be subjected to additional strain when you take supplements at extremely high doses. Kidney failure and the development of kidney stones are possible outcomes of this. And that wraps up our exploration into the myriad ways vitamin C supports our health and well-being. From its immune-boosting properties to its role in collagen production, vitamin C truly is a superhero nutrient. We hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know your favorite sources of vitamin C or how you incorporate it into your daily routine. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.